Hey friends, we're at Lakota and we are so excited to show you this absolutely loaded up Charger Edition toy hauler. This one has some options that we've never offered before. Kind of part of a bigger effort here to say yes more often to customer requests and certain options that maybe we've never done before. And this one we think is an absolute home run. So a few things to point out from an option standpoint. So one, this one has a 16-foot garage on it. Option the full height rear ramp with cable assist. That's always a popular option for your toy haulers. It takes this big heavy duty ramp and makes it extremely easy to raise and lower. Coming back into the garage area. This one option, this diamond plating. That's gonna go from the floor to 4 feet up the walls here. So another really cool option. And then also a diamond plated cove with custom LED bar lighting. So definitely some new options that we've never done before on our toy haulers. And like I said, this is an absolute home run. And what you're getting with your Charger and Bighorn Edition toy haulers is a stout all aluminum living quarters toy hauler that's built to last, extremely durable. We have endless options and configurations available. Again, this one's our Charger Edition toy hauler, and it has an absolute ton of options. This one also optioned in our matte gray exterior. That's a new exterior option that's been really popular for us. You see that Charger graphics package really popping on it. Also optioned in a stainless steel nose. That's always a popular option for your Charger. Let's get one more look over here where the sun's hitting everything before we make our way inside. And with all these cool options, if you think this is really nice, wait until we go inside. Custom, really cool layout, started with a popular floor plan, and we're really excited to show you a lot of the options in here too. So let's kind of pan around for a second. It's going to be kind of a familiar look for you, but again, just a ton of great options. And we'll kind of try to call those out for you. So this customer started with our popular 14 SR floor plan. They would have 14 feet of living quarters and a sofa on the riser wall. This one's different for a number of reasons. One, it ends up being larger than 14 feet of living quarters. That's for two reasons. One, this customer option in recliners on the riser wall. That's a new option for us. We think we're going to end up doing a lot of trailers with this option. We're excited to now be able to do this. We used to not be able to do it, and we've been offering it for a little while now. And as I said, we think it's really going to take off here. When you do recliners on the riser wall, that does add a little bit of length to living quarters. So just something to keep in mind. And then two, since this one is a toy hauler, that ends up actually... you end up with a straight wall instead of a slant wall back in the restroom. So that extends and reconfigures things a little bit. You'll especially see that back in the restroom. So for those two reasons, this one ends up being larger than 14 feet of living quarters, but still a really, really nice layout. So as we said, option the recliners on the riser wall, optioned in a dream dinette in place of the standard dinette over in the slide out. Also option in these drawer dinette ends. That's nice for accessing the storage under the seats. That dream dinette's nice, just super easy to raise and lower to convert into a bed, back up into a dinette. So with the dream dinette, then the two recliners, that gives you 3 sleeping spots because each of those chairs will recline back. And you've got the big bed up in the gooseneck. So you end up with 5 sleeping spots in this one. Let's kind of keep calling out some of the options here. One of the obvious ones, right above the recliners on the riser wall, you see it optioned in a privacy wall. That too gives you a lot of really nice options. One of them being you can option in more storage above, so that's really nice. So just kind of back to the idea, you get some really nice benefits from that privacy wall option. Two, the obvious one is you get more privacy. So kind of making our way up into the gooseneck, you'll see, especially if someone's sleeping down on that dinette or those recliners and you might want some more privacy up here, this privacy wall is very nice. And also, this customer optioned in this privacy door. Why don't I make my way back down? Just wanted to show you how residential it is up here. Television, some nice storage. But as I make my way back down, that privacy door option really does an even better job of sealing off the gooseneck from the rest of the living quarters, really allowing for some nice privacy up there. Keeping with the options, this customer also optioned in, so this one would come standard with a double bowl sink. This customer optioned in the large single bowl sink, just a really cool residential option. Nice counter space in this one, option in the recessed oven, the 3-burner cooktop. Also optioned in the hickory interior wood, which is a really popular wood option for your charger. And it actually optioned in Bighorn furniture. So this is our Dongia black furniture that's popular in our Bighorns. This is an option, and you can be optioned into your chargers as well. Looks so nice and goes so nicely with the hickory interior wood option. This customer also optioned an extra height in the living quarters. Check out the storage. So nice hanging storage above, more great storage below. As you make our way back to the restroom, and as I said, because this one has the straight wall being a toy hauler as opposed to the slant wall in your horse trailer or livestock trailer, this does extend and reconfigure things a little bit, and you'll really see that back in the restroom. But it ends up with a nice big vanity, great space back here. Check out the storage. Nice hanging storage above, nice hanging storage below. Here's your shower. Pass-through door gets you back to that garage area that has a ton of great options. Just want to give you one more look at that. This thing's stout, it's heavy duty, it's versatile, and it's another exciting new product that we're so happy to show you here at Lakota. It's a new era at Lakota. Check us out at lakotatrailers.com. Find Lakota that best meets your travel needs.